Here I have DOOGEE T20, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application. So you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and apps. So let's transfer some image, for example this one. So you just select it by holding your finger on it like this, then tap on three dots here, select if you want to move it or if you want to copy it. So let's copy it, and then select SD card. Then select to which folder you want to copy this image, for example pictures, tap copy here, and now you have this image not only on your device but also on your SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.